Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. We could just take a look at the market quickly. For Bitcoin right now, looks like we're getting some bullish numbers. And our first green dot after this large downtrend that we've experienced. But yeah, honestly, it's very possible that we dump even further. But for the moment, it seems like we are holding this bottom support. I've got to say my support boxes and lines they're pretty good. I've got to admit, we touched right at the edge of this, and they started getting some buying pressure. So definitely there are some orders at 29,330. I am in a trade right now at 29,830. So I believe we may see it like a small pump up to 31,000 maybe to retest this as a resistance and then possibly drop back down. But we'll stay tuned for some updates. Nothing's guaranteed. There's no free lunch. Same thing basically for Ethereum. We're just getting a lot of selling pressure. We're now at 1783, but we also got a green dot here. We start going back up to the upside. We reached a low of 1720, and which is basically the previous low right here at 1720 or 1700, whatever you want to call it. Depends on which exchange you're trading on. But yeah, we're seeing some buying pressure at there and coming back up temporarily. It's possible we see 1870 and then possibly continue the downtrend. We may not even get there. It's possible the downtrend continues right now. But something I really want to talk about before we keep going on to Bitcoin is that the stock market right here, we took our dump, right? And then at our, I set this line here a long time ago. Our previous resistance that we were fighting here for quite a while became support, and we actually bounced off of it. But right now, we closed the day off by confirming like a daily close underneath the wedge, which is quite bearish. But you never know with the market. We've seen a close before and a pump up. Right now we saw a close underneath and a pump up and a retest to confirm it as a resistance. I have a short order for the market at 43.40, so I'm probably going to short that from there, just giving you guys an update in my video. But yeah, I definitely like as another dump, and if we break this support line right here and we keep on dumping, it would be extremely bearish for Bitcoin as well. Markets are all linked together, so that would not be some good news. We could take a look at the overnight markets right now trading. Currently we touched another line, bounced the same line basically, but just on a different market, or sorry, a different like exchange. And we touched my white line exactly and then saw some selling pressure immediately. But right now we're pumping to go retest it as a how do you say, sorry, as a resistance. So we'll see if we can break back up and keep going to the upside. But yeah, I had a discussion with one of my head traders, or my head trader, I only have one, and he's telling me that it is very possible that we do something like this, where we hit it up and then break above, and then maybe make a newer high, and then proceed to dump to the downside. So that's what he's expecting, and he's expecting this mid-August to late August. So right now, what we're seeing right now in the late July or mid-July, depends, it's a matter of perspective. It's possible that this is just a tease, a preview, if you may, of what could be coming in the very near future. But obviously this is all speculation. Definitely do your own research, and yeah, make your bets. Anyways, we could get back to Bitcoin quickly. We could take a look at the hash ribbons right here. They're not showing any time of curving back in. It's looking like, the more you test support, the weaker it starts to get. So I'm placing a long order just in, like, as a very, very high risk trade at 29,800. So definitely be careful, guys. You definitely don't want to mess around too much with these types of markets. Yeah, we can see that Bitcoin dominance is coming back up a bit, but as a whole, it's looking like Bitcoin's breaking trend and starting to go back down. My head traders told me it looks like a giant double head and shoulders, something like that. So we could probably break down to this lower band. It would be amazing if we get back down to 15,000. We could buy some crypto for real cheap. even if it goes to 8,000, I mean, that's just, I mean, I don't think it'll go there, but you never know. But that would be a very low price for it. And at that point, I would be buying with my hands, and I would be leveraging up pretty much on taking out loans to buy it, because in my opinion, it's worth way more than what it's at right now. So it's definitely undervalued asset in my opinion. But you know, everyone has their own opinions. So yeah. Also, we're sitting at 1,290 subscribers, so that's really awesome, guys. I love the support. It's just incredible right now. And yeah, you guys have been amazing. So just want to let you guys know. Anyways, I'm just gonna end this video right now. I've had a long day of work. Just want to get some rest now. Gonna be in the Discord, in and out. You guys can ask me some questions. Love you guys. Peace. Oh yeah, and if you guys want to sign up for Bybit, the link is in the description, and so is the Discord link. Peace.